Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken thighs in the slow cooker. So let's get cracking. Linda got me a new slow cooker for Christmas, an early Christmas present, so I'm going to try it out today. I haven't used it yet. This is the new one, and that's the old one. They're both 6-quart slow cookers. This one's a little taller. That one works fine. They're both the same brand. They're both Hamilton Beach. That one works fine, but the display was starting to burn out. Some of the lights were starting to burn out on the display. So we'll try the new one out today and see how it does. I have 5 chicken thighs here that I'm going to use for this, and I'm going to pull the skin off of these. I've done it both ways. I've done it with the skin on and I've done it with the skin off, but today I'm going to pull the skin off because, for one thing, the chicken skin just gets soggy, it won't get crispy, and then the other thing is all the fat from the chicken skin cooks out into my sauce, my marinade, and it just dilutes it down. So I kind of like it better without the skin for that reason, but you can leave the skin on if you like. I've done it both ways and it comes out good either way. But my sauce is just going to be half balsamic vinegar and half brown sugar. So it'll be real simple. So I'm just going to pull the excess fat off of this as well, and then I'll get these into the pot. That's all the skin and fat that I pulled off of the chicken thighs. Now I'm going to season them up with some kosher salt and some Johnny's seasoned pepper, besides pepper. This has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic and onion in it. I'll just do the bottom side and then I'll do the top side once they're in the pot. Now I'll mix up my marinade or my sauce or whatever you want to call it. So I'd say it's about a 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And then this is balsamic vinegar. Alright, so then about the same amount, about 3/4 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, and I'll get this mixed together. Now I'll pour that in. And get the lid on. And I'm going to cook this on high, and I'll let you guys know how long that takes. It's been an hour and 20 minutes. I'm going to see how these are doing. They look good, but the top side's not in the marinade, so I think I'm going to flip them over. A lot more color on that side, so flip them all over and let that side cook down in the marinade for a while. Alright, get the lid back on, let them cook on that side for a while. It's been 2 hours and 10 minutes. Let's see how these look. Oh, those look nice. Let me check the internal temperature just to make sure they're done. I'm pretty sure they are, but we'll see. "198 degrees. Yeah, that's done. They only have to be like 165, so they're good. I've got a bag of pre-cooked rice here. Linda buys these sometimes. They're pretty handy. A 8.8 ounce bag. You just throw them in the microwave for I think 90 seconds. Just warm it up. So if you don't feel like cooking rice, it's a real easy way to do that. Put a piece of chicken over the rice. Now I'll pour some of this, spoon some of this vinegar sauce over it here. Maybe I should have made a little bit more. You can make more if you want. If you want a bigger batch of this to put over rice. There we are. Alright, let's see how this chicken looks. Pretty tender, cuts apart with fork. Looks pretty juicy. Chicken thighs are always pretty juicy. New slow cooker did a nice job. That looks good. Alright, get some of this rice with it and try that out. That's real good. The sauce has a lot more flavor when it's not diluted down from the fat from the chicken skin. I like it better this way, but you can do it either way. And he's over here begging like crazy today, so it must smell good, I guess. Want to try it, Annie? Here you go. Looks like it's Annie approved. I was wondering where Honey the kitten was. She's up there. She's on the cabinet up above the stove sleeping. Well, the new slow cooker worked good and the chicken turned out good. I'll write the recipe in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.